What is up, everyone? We're back here with another video. Last time we left off, we got our first gym badge, the Crusade badge. Cascade badge? I don't even know how to pronounce that. But it was long. I didn't actually think we were going to win because the first time we took on the gym leader, we absolutely got destroyed. Then we leveled up some, and also I think this wheat is glitched. But we leveled up some, and we were able to beat it. And we also got evolution, which was Poochyena evolving to Mightyena. And we also caught our first shiny Pokemon. Now, I did say that he wasn't gonna be on our team, our like permanent team, but I'm going to put him on our permanent team for now. Because I want to try some new Pokemon out, I guess, since I said I don't really like him, but I still want to try out some new Pokemon, so I'm going to keep him on the team. But, I mean, I can't really switch out even if I catch any more Pokemon until I can make a PC, which I just need Redstone for that. I have everything besides the Redstone. So once I do more mining and get that, I just haven't had the time, and I don't know when I will. But once I do get the redstone, then we'll definitely make it. But in this episode, I'm actually not too sure what I wanted to. Okay, that's actually I haven't checked my Pokédex in a while. We have a lot right now in it. Oh, there's most of these aren't even caught. Well, actually, they probably they all are, besides, unless there's actually evolution, but besides that, that's not what I wanted to check. What button is it? N. I want to do some of my quests. Oh, I also talked to this guy when I was heading to the Pokemon Center to heal, and it wants to find a temple, and we just so happen to know where a temple is. So I don't know if I just have to enter it or something, or I'll just go around it. Maybe I have to go down to the bottom part again. But I just want to focus on doing some of those quests because we've gotten pretty good rewards. Like we got that Pokeball. That was pretty nice. I won't go down yet. I want to make sure that we're missing a block for that. Here, I'll just put the sand for there right now. Is there like doors or anything? Oh, yeah, like little V's. It would be cool if we made our base here, but I don't know if I want to. I mean, I might make our base here. Would it be cool to make? And we actually, you know what? I in a future episode, I might actually, or next. I don't know. I might make my base here, actually. I might turn this desert temple into a base, because not only do we have a Pokemon Center plus a Pokemon Mart, we also have two different biomes right next to us. Savanna biome and a Dark Oak biome. So those are pretty helpful. And then I think we have like a mountains biome over there. And we obviously have a desert, but so I actually might make our base here. I mean, I know we have our base back there, and we could have like two different bases and stuff, but like I said, that base that I built wasn't gonna be our permanent base, just for now. So I might make this into our new base, but who knows? We'll see. But alright, so we went and we explored. Alright, return to explore. Okay. Let's see if I can find him in the village again. I don't even know where he is. Oh, you're 33. I was trying to do some Pokemon battles. Pretty high level. Come here. I want Mightyena to learn Crunch. It's like a better bite, basically. I think that was a Numel that ruined. We queued up in the Pokemon Center, and then like a Numel attacked us, That might be the same one. We had to go back and heal. It's really annoying. Alright. Oh, we always get burned from that. I think if you use a physical move on it, then you get burned. Oh, this thing wants to fight. Why is it running around so much? Come on, bite. Two more bites. Should finish. Oh, maybe one. I actually got a cactus from that. Alright, I'm gonna go back and go to the actual way. Hopefully we can find him again. Thank you for healing. Is he in here? No. No, I'm a little busy. No, thank you. Oh, this is him. Goodbye. Oh, okay, goodbye. You know what? I'm not sure if we're probably not gonna do that in a while. Oh wait, what are you? You're 22? It's probably a mistake. I mean, like, we probably shouldn't be battling 22 shovel trainers, but if we kill them, it would be good XP. I mean, that's not that much damage. And like, compared to what we do to him, honestly, it's not that bad. Okay, it said my special attack wasn't. No, but I guess, no, bite isn't a special attack, because that's a physical attack. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Okay. Well, he's gone. Let's, use Pidgeotto. Pidgeotto still doesn't have a flying time move. So it'd be really nice if he actually learned one. Hopefully next level. I don't even know when he learns wing attack, but I really hope he learns it soon because his tackle move isn't the best. Okay, we're switching out. I want some of my Pokemon to get experience from this. We can do Charmeleon. I guess he's a fire, so his fire moves won't be that effective. Dragon's Breath. Should be able to finish this. Alright. One more. Level up 22. Pidgeotto level 22. Didn't learn a move. A little annoying. Oh, you're joking me. I didn't even think you could know that he would have learned a lot of moves, but I guess I'm wrong. I don't even have any heals. Butterfree ain't gonna do nothing. Butterfree's too low. Wait, put him to sleep? Please put him to sleep. No. Be doing this to me. Crunch him. No. Crunch. What? Oh, you're joking me. I did not just use double team. Oh, no. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to be winning this. No. I don't even know if he can be fast enough. Doesn't even matter. It wasn't even enough. Okay, well, I guess that's what I get for battling a trainer that's a low level. I mean, I guess it's not higher than us right now, but he has a lot of Pokemon that are good against us. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, so I think we completed that one, guys. Okay. But these seem to be like the main ones. Those are just kind of like objectives, but these are like the main quests. Catch a grass type Pokemon. craft a great ball. That's the crafting one. I'm gonna be doing gathering the party egg, and we need to. So we're gonna be on the look for grass type Pokemon, and I don't think we're gonna find any here. So we're gonna go look at the dark oak forest, and hopefully that we can find some. And if we're lucky, we could find a starter grass type. That would be nice, like a Bulbasaur, a Turtwig, Trico, any of those. Alright, let's see. I don't even know what kind of Pokemon spawn in here. If we get, oh, what if there's like a Pikachu or something? We wouldn't be able to add to our team yet since we don't have a PC. Although I kind of feel like that, at least the ones that are in the village at the Pokemon Center should have a PC. You think we could actually do a boss now? It's an uncommon, so it's not like it's gonna be the high. You know what? I'm actually willing to try it. Come here. Where are you going? It's 27. That's not. I don't know what kind of moves it has, but if we can do enough damage with our Pokemon. Oh, so that Bellsprout we can catch if we don't die. Oh. We can actually kill this thing. Charmeleon might die though. Come on, Mightyena. Just bite it. Use quick attack, but that doesn't matter. Yay, our first boss, and we got whatever this is. Oh, so where's the Bellsprout at? I need to catch you. Yes, I understand. You, hopefully, this doesn't do too much damage, because I still need to catch you. Oh, perfect! Legit, actually a perfect amount. I need to catch you. Swagger. I think it's actually tried to win that before. I don't know. Give up on that. Alright, yeah, Bellsprout was. Use a PC. Yeah, don't have one. With your newly befriended Pokemon, you are ready to train. Defeat 3. Oh, if only Charmeleon was still alive, this would be a lot easier. That's a bug type. I mean, I guess we could still. You could still kill it, or feint it, so we can get XP. But I need to look for Bellsprouts or just any grass type that are low enough level. I hear lava and a Pokemon. I don't know if that's underground. Maybe there's something underground. Okay, are you? I don't know if that's. It probably is. Actually, I think it is. But I don't know. It's level 20, and I'm not even at full HP. Should I? Oh wait, actually, I wanna train up this guy. No, do I? We'll use Butterfree. I don't know why, because he's level 12, but, you never know. Might get lucky. Maybe. No, I meant to do Sleep Powder. Okay. I don't think, does it even affect him? Alright, we're switching out. I want Butterfree to get some experience from this. Alright, then, if only Pidgeotto had a flying type move. This would be so much easier. Wait. Healer and Twister, does that do any damage? It does damage, but it's dragon type, and it doesn't look like it do a lot. Alright, nice. Tackle. It poisoned me, I didn't even see that. Well, we're gonna have to get back and heal now. But at least we got one grass type. And Butterfree's level 13 now. That's nice. We don't have any food either, that's probably an issue. Oh. Oh. Well, it probably is cured because it's fainted now. I heard a burn me. They normally are attached to trees. It's probably on the top, but I can't even get on top of trees. Okay, I don't know what that was. Some kind of bird. I hear you, where are you? Oh, it's a merc, bro. Oh, that's obviously a little mad because it's attacking me. Calm down. Might need to just finish this guy. What's this? 3 tackles? 1, 2? I don't know why I said 1, 2. Yes, looks like 2. Close to getting 1 shot. Or close to be able to 1 shot this Pokemon. Once we get into like the 50s, we'll be pretty high. Yeah, like the 60s. Alright, where is this Pokemon? I hear it, but yet I do not see it. I think it's probably gone by now, honestly. There it is. There wasn't even the trees in the first place. Use you. Bite. There we go. I don't know if that was a grass type. Actually, I can check actually. Nope, it was not. I thought it was. I think there's like different types of it. Like I've seen green and pink. Maybe that wasn't. Maybe I think only the green ones are grass types. I think they can have different types. Also, I don't know why the thing's so high level. There's a hoo, an owl, whatever it's called. There's another one. Oh, what is that thing? Is that like, that's a Mega Gengar, isn't it? Is that supposed to be like a boss? Dude, that's a legendary boss. No thank you. Dude, that thing, if I battle that right now, not mention that all my Pokemon all my good ones are dead, it would be probably like 60 or 70, maybe even higher. I think that's like the max tier. Okay. So we're gonna be leaving that thing alone. There's a grass type next to it. Ooh, I'm pretty sure this is the grass type. Oh, this one, there's another one. Oh, it's level 25. Can we beat it? Yes, 17 HP. We're about to find out. We do a lot of damage to it, so maybe, just maybe. Okay. Come on, you gotta get lucky, my guy. Crunch it. If this guy has a... Doesn't really matter because he's gone now. Alright, that should have counted. Yep. I know where another one is. But... It's kind of by the boss, so we'll see. Oh, there it is. Are these only at like 25 or something? This is the second one that's been at 25. What? He just leaped so far. If that boss battles us, we're on for sure. Alright. Do we have any food on us? Oh, we got a rare candy? I think we might have got it from the boss or something. But we do not have any food besides, I guess, rotten flesh. I wonder if we should use this on someone. Oh, you know what? Who am I going to use it on? I'm probably going to use it. Man, I probably should use it on my Nina. He is the lowest of our team members. But I really want to use it on Pidgeotto because I want him to learn a flying type move really bad. I don't know. That's not a golden, is it? I don't think that's a shiny. No, that's not a shiny. Because it would have had the golden name like our Hippopotamus does. Alright. I don't even know what this guy evolves into, or shiny. I probably need to make it. Can you make nicknames for the Pokemon? I probably do need one for this because I don't even know how to not want to say that name. I don't even know how to say it properly. But I do not want to say that every time. Hey, Pidgeotto, you're level 3. And you learn nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That was a waste. I should use it on my Deanna. User. Alright. Oh, that was it. Oh, maybe we got it from that one then. Use a PC. Alright, we're gonna have to head back to base. But I have no... Oh, wait, actually? I guess I can finally actually grab food here. Should have done it last... or the first episode we actually got here. But I never did, so... I'm gonna replant, because if I'm gonna make my new base around here, might as well have a good place for food. Okay. The game kinda had a lag spike there. To be expected. To be expected. Alright. Let's see another... Ooh, is that potatoes? Those. Let's place these back. I think I can handle placing seeds. It's starting to lag up. Potatoes. Oh, we have no... Wait, why can't I pick this up? Okay, my game is glitched or something. Oh, my game's so glitched right now. Okay, that was weird. I don't know why my game got so glitchy when I was just trying to place seeds down. Take it slower. Come on, give me all this wheat. It's just destroying everything at this point. My game's probably gonna freeze again after all this. Because somehow it doesn't really like me placing a lot of seeds at the same time. Apparently. Okay. There we go. There. Ladybug. Okay, we're getting attacked by something. Oh, come on. Oh, that does a lot of damage. At least it hasn't poisoned us. It might kill us. Yeah, we're gonna need to switch out to something else. Okay. Easy. Oh. I guess they act like I'm villagers and they actually plant back the crops. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I'm not going to do anything with these seeds. Alright, he's not placing anymore. Alright, well, okay, we still have a good amount of time. Alright, well, I know we were supposed to be doing some loose training. I promise, this is going to be the last thing. We're going to head back to base. No, actually probably take a quick pit stop to the Pokemon Center. Go back to base. And, yeah, we'll see what happens there. Because I want to, I want to try to craft a great ball, and I want to start an acorn farm, but I don't want to start it there if that's not gonna be my permanent base. So I'm gonna need a lot of dirt so I can make it here. Next episode will probably be focusing on the desert temple. Right? Okay, actually. Alright. I won't be uploading this weekend, just because I'm going somewhere for the weekend. And I also won't be uploading for the Christmas break. I mean, not Christmas break, I mean Thanksgiving break. So I probably will get a video out Monday, maybe Tuesday if I'm lucky. But, and then I'll be gone for like the whole Christmas. I mean, I don't like keep saying Christmas. The whole Thanksgiving break. But I just wanted to let you guys know. Alright, I need a crafting table. I think I'm gonna have to just take a piece of wood. If I don't even have room for it. There we go. You know, I don't know why I'm doing this. I can just... Oh, so what is dying? Dude, this thing is legit just... It's just like... Oh my gosh. This is not a good Pokemon to use, but we're right next to the Pokemon Center. Come on. Don't use an electric type move if it hasn't already. It probably is using one right now. I don't know, I just used sand attack. Here we go, tackle. And one more tackle. Yep, there we go. We're on the bottom. Okay, back to my thing. Also, let's heal real quick. There we go. Alright, back to this. Into 18. 18. 1, 2. Alright. Let's get us as much wheat as we can get out of this. 18, not that bad. We've been needing a good food source for a while. Finally got one. Alright, now time to head back to base. Oh! Wait, this is actually a starter. This is the second evolution of, oh wait, actually I want to cast. This is the second evolution of... I totally forgot how to pronounce it. It's the fire starter from Collis. Fennekin? I don't know if I'm saying that. I think it's Fennekin. But I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But I want to try to catch all the starters, so... I mean, I know it's only the second evolution, but it's still somewhere. Think we do one more tackle? Yeah. We'll try a Pokeball. Yes. Come on. No. No, don't be doing this to me. Don't make me use my Great Ball either. And don't make me waste all these. Although I am going to make more. I don't even know if I'm going to have time in this episode because it's taking us so long to get back and we're getting battled by... Oh, we're trapped? What? Oh, okay. Great, now this is going to take even longer. Oh, never mind. We're actually just going to destroy this thing. Okay, there we go. Let's just start. I don't really care. Alright, now let's get back to our base. Because, yeah, we're not going to have time in this episode. But next episode, we'll definitely be moving our stuff over here. And then, we'll, if we have enough time after we're done moving and stuff, we will, create or start creating an apricorn farm. Which is going to be helpful so we can make a bunch of Pokeballs, like evolved varieties, like a heal ball, luxury ball, heavy ball, everything. So that would be nice. What is that thing? I don't even know what that is. Oh, but it obviously wants to fight. We're already out of time, basically, anyway, so might as well take an extra time. Come on. One more bite? Oh, we're actually gonna level up. I wonder if we're gonna learn Crunch. I don't even know what level. Oh, wait. Did we learn anything? Nope. No new move, sadly. We didn't drop that, right? Oh, yeah, we have that in our inventory right now. Ooh, nice little dive. I didn't even know Diglett could swim. Okay, that's nice to know. Diglett. Oh, that's a massive Numel. Oh, that wants to fight, but you are way too high of a level to arena battle, so no thank you. Alright, somewhere over here should be get out of the desert. Oh, there's a Rata. No, that obviously wants to fight. Oh, one shot at a level 20. Okay. Okay, I'm totally losing my direction. No, don't do this. There's a little home base at. There's actually a lot of apricorn trees around us. There we go. There's our house. Alright. Let's heal actually real quick. Okay, oops. Sorry. No, why do I keep clicking that button? They have a stack of string? Are you serious? I didn't even know that. Wait, actually, redstone lamp? I think that's actually used to make a PC. We're just missing a couple of pieces of redstone. I think we can make it, basically. What is that? Wait a minute. Oh, wait, I should have one. I thought I had one piece of redstone. Wait, if I do, it's gotta be in here. Okay, I know it's gonna be a little higher, a little longer of an episode. But, I gotta make this real quick. Do we have any glass? Did we have one? We didn't make any glass. Alright, we have to have sand, right? I just got sand. Alright, we have to, alright, come on. Let's make this real quick. Alright, we need, 4 of these. Come on. And then, I want to make our PC. Ooh, but I don't know if I can break it. I don't want to place it down yet, because I don't want to make it and then have to. But we'll make it, like, as an item, and then we'll move it. But I at least want to craft one. Maybe not place it down yet, but I didn't even know what gave us that redstone lamp. Maybe it was like that challenge, because if it went to the PC next, it could have gave us that after. Was it the grass type or something? I don't know. But maybe it gave us that or something. Is that enough? Alright, one more. Then we can actually make our PC. Which will allow us to switch out Pokemon. Which means probably Starly and Butterfree are going to be leaving our team, sadly. Will they be back? Who knows. Will any of the Pokemon we've captured so far be a part of our team? Probably not. But who knows. I'll see if I can put this together correctly. Alright. Oh, I did. Yeah. Okay, we actually got 3 super potions for that. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. We're not gonna be able to place it down, but at least we crafted one. Here, we'll put it in this chest for now. Any other special? I guess we can put our badge in here. And our TDMs. That's where all the special stuff goes. There we go. I need to, where's my, I probably want to put the other TDM in there. As long as, where's my, I think I put the other PP up in there. You can put this. But I don't think we can put anything else in here, right? Just double checking. Okay, let's put all these away. Probably want to keep this actually. Come on. We can make a brewing stand, but I don't know if that really matters. Potions don't really, I mean, not the Pokemon potions, but wait, could you actually make those brewing stand? I wonder if you could. I don't know, but we're already actually ahead. Like this video was a little longer than expected, but I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.